Yuji Itadori had made a comeback on Jujutsu Kaisen Modulo manga and straight up started to Aura farm without wasting any seconds. Leaks for Jujutsu Kaisen 19 just dropped. It's insane. Firstly, if you want to check the pages, then there is a link in description where you can get. The chapter starts with Pura getting crazy after the backstory buff he got from last chapter. We see him going in speed of light towards Mahuraga, who is standing there and can't able to grab a hold on Dabura as he's rushing towards him super fast. In a double page, we see Dabura going super fast towards Mahuraga and gets his leg ready for an attack. He also says that the more he moves faster, the air started to feel more like solid. We see him going behind Mahuraga and kicking him so damn hard that he went straight up millions of steps away from while the buildings around them are getting absolutely destroyed. Even that is not enough to stop Big Raga. As in just second he regenerated himself from this to this. We see Dabura who seemed to be really excited and fired up. As he started to think that, we see him straight up fucking dancing with Big Raga. And I have never seen Big Raga like this before. And all of this was just Dabura's imagination. As he starts to see that he wants to fight more and needs to learn more about curse technique, he's here having an awakening midst of the battle. We see that Dabura's right leg is pretty much destroyed. It's not a problem because in just midst of this battle, Dabura heals himself by using fucking RTC. Dabura started to learn more about curse technique. Then we might see him using Black Flash or a domain, who knows. Then we shift our attention to the yapping pages where Osko and his men are ready to hurt some humans. As Dabura is handling Big Raga, as both the humans and aliens get ready to attack each other, a mysterious figure stands down in front of the building. And it's none other than fucking Yuji Itadori. He's standing there and talking to himself that he knew this would happen about fighting between humans and aliens. You can see his whole face just up with the same scar. And in the next page, Yuji uses piercing blood, which he seems to be mastered it completely because it's not just tiny amount of blood. It's super huge and is spread all over the room, not harming anyone a lot, stopping them from moving. And in the next chapter, we see him aura farming, standing there, telling that he has overdone himself, and the blood is coming out of the window. This is not the cleavage move by them. And the chapter ends here. We didn't saw much about Rika or Maru. Maybe we could see them in the chapter 20. And Mahuraga also didn't do much in this chapter as he got his ass beaten by Dabura. With Yuji coming back in the story, we might just see some crazy chapters upcoming soon. Maybe we will some other characters coming back. There is no break for chapter 20.